Go down a little twisty road here and see some scenery. Oh my gosh. Well, did we get that on camera? I was just trying to make a left and somebody tried passing me. Yikes. Well, we recorded it, so we'll get to see that. So this is it's really sunny out. We got a lot of shade and sun spots. You can kind of see how it does with high contrast. It's probably the worst time of day to be driving in this sun. Whew, she is bright. There's all kinds of other settings on here too that we can play around with and do a lot of other things, adjust all the brightness and contrast, that kind of thing. So I'm kind of curious if it records what you have on the screen or if it just records the back only or the front only. There might be a menu setting for that too. Let's see. All right, here comes the motorcycle gang.